every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
It's a voiceover. So, what you're gonna want to know, Zine, I forgot your brows with the either if you use pencil or if you use you can paste it on with an eyebrow wax as well. Oh my goodness, hi. My name is Lyric Rochester. I have been doing YouTube for over 12 years now, but I'm just starting, I'm refreshing my page and I'm doing the damn thing, I love colored brows. I think they're a statement piece. I love art, and this is how I express myself as a 36-year-old woman. That's crazy to say. But yes, this is my tricolor brows. And the key to this as well is blending and ensuring that your brows are flat. If you have thick brows, my brows aren't always flat, but I love imperfections in my looks. I don't know what's wrong. But God know me like when I look them, no look too perfect. I do, I don't know why, baby. Me like that. Because I really something, you see me? So, I make it stay or it stay. But for tutorials, I try my best to make it as perfect as possible. So, we're just going to contour our brows. Yes, contour. Contouring is the technique of just an enhancing or bringing forward, you know what I mean? So, we are contouring our brows as we contour our entire face, as our clothes contour our bodies, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to be using these terms, honey, and make y'all think, oh my God, they're contouring brows now? Shit. Oh, let me watch Lyric. It should be on point. Then I watch the video and I say, so that girl is a scammer? She ought a choppy line. I go tell. I tell she a choppy line. Right. So usually I'll take a color that's my skin tone, but I'm like, whatever. I don't really want to do that. I want to highlight the crap out of my brows. And then, but look, it's like my eyes were like this statement piece, bro. Oh my gosh, this look would be banger with some lashes, but I never want to do no lashes. Oh yeah, for my contouring. For my highlighting, sorry, I'm using my Anka Cosmetics. I have been using Anka Cosmetics. Did I use Gael? No, Anka Cosmetics. That's a black owned brand. I use the Morphe palette, and I also use, which other company me use? Blood Cleanse. What a palette name? Oh, Juvia's Place. Yes, but what I know, my Juvia's Place palette and my Morphe palette, them all. Want to stress me. Stress me, them all, and shout out to us, who are here, who we're not really buying new makeup, but we're working with what we have, baby, and we're making it look good. I like Nigeria. Do you hear my nails? Baby, once you hear the nails clack, oh, it's a wrap. I just make up that. I gotta be one DJ or a makeup piece. I gotta be a makeup piece, like a makeup like something where you make up things for your living. That sound like humans. I feel like we make up things for a living. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me focus on this tutorial because if not, my ADHD. So we're blending. The key to this entire look is blend, as well as I did my makeup differently here than what I did in other videos. I'm experimenting with lighting, new setups and everything because of where I am now. I don't really have a specific place to set up. So I'm going to fill up the environment and see where I can saw. I use one ring light. I'm using my gimbal now, which is why I chose to do a voiceover. Because whenever I use my gimbal, I actually the quality is absolute crap because of my phone. Oh, the reason I put the powder right there, so is because it's so low. The low light did go. The darker, yeah, I don't want it to go so low. So I'm going to put that there, so clean that up and then wipe it off. I should make it stay a little longer, but I couldn't never have the time because, a girl, we ripping and rolling right here, so we just move and go on, isn't it? I was saying something very important a while ago, and I forgot it. I'm sorry, but you're going to remind me in the comments, and then we can continue the conversation in the comments. How about that? Oh, the gimbal. Okay, so this is the palette. Oh, it looks so old. Oh, this is already in the beginning, no? Yeah, but don't laugh off at me. Anyway, the gimbal now, when I bought my gimbal off of Amazon for $49. You guys can get it for $39 with my referral affiliate link, and you get a free ring light. So the link is in the description bar below. Please go and purchase if you want to. No, this is not if I use your phone. They might have one for camera yet. I'm not say that yet. But I'm gonna reach back out to them and say them have any for cameras and not just for phones. Because what them have no for phone. And them all have some will go up to $100. My one of me have for $39. But I use them for record phone at $39, not $100 and you get a free ring light. I should have just wait for buy my one. But moving right along. So these colors are what I'm seeing in this color scheme of the purple. No, I'm mixing cool colors and warm colors, which don't typically work for me unless I'm wearing bold lashes. So for me, this look doesn't work because of how I did my lips and everything. It doesn't work. But I wanted to really focus on my eyes and how I contoured my brows, how I let the brow bone come out a little bit stronger because I applied a lighter color concealer on my brow bone area as well. The brow bone area is that area right underneath the eyebrow. You see that bone there you feel right under the eyebrow? Touch it. Touch it now as I talk to you. Yeah, right the saw, right the say brow bone. So they say, wait, you want to put a lighter color, even white. If I had a white base, I would put a white base on my brow bone because I love when my brow bone comes up. Plus, remember saying that back in the day, they used to shave off my eyebrow. Remember saying my eyebrow did half an eyebrow. I'm gonna do that again. My grow them out now. So because I'm growing my eyebrows out, I need to kind of fit them where they're supposed to be on my face. I am doing a lot of like introspection, like self-thinking about myself, and there are things that I genuinely love that I stopped doing because people were offended, and that really messed up my mental health. So no, it may seem as if I'm being a little bit selfish or rude or whatever. That's just your experience or your interpretation based off of where you are. But me, I know I'm happy. I know I'm not outrightly offending anybody, and this, it gives me peace. I feel like anything that gives you peace, and that peace that passes all understanding, that it should be, I shouldn't say guard, but unfortunately we have to guard it. But don't think of it as guarding. Just live, baby. You see, when I just live, believe me, it's unbothered. Yeah. The unbothered lifestyle. That's where I am now, babe. The unbothered lifestyle. My Instagram has had a facelift. I'm feeling good spiritually. Everything else isn't falling into place, but I'm no longer focusing on the negative. And I did a video about unpacking your trauma. Whether if you unpack your trauma, are you staying? No, let's talk about it. If you're unpacking your trauma, I don't go utterly unpacking things. Do I stay? I put up your clothes in the drawer. That is what that video was about. I never intended for it to be that emotional, but I'm like, you know what? This is gonna happen. Yes, bitch, wink your eye. Sorry. That's gonna happen one more time on my channel, and then I'm done. Because I'm done. Yes, it's affecting me, but I'm no longer giving it energy. Yes, but I'm no longer giving. I'm doing everything. Daddy has given me everything in life and godliness. And those memories that Lucifer keeps bringing back to me, those aren't life and godliness. It keeps me in a particular way that's bound. And I will no longer entertain that. Now, that's Simone. That's Lyric. Being Simone. The look is done, by the way. Oh gosh, okay. I'm going to list the products in the description. Come on, I remember through my talk too. No, my mind all over the place. But this is from Sacha Cosmetics. I think it's nude. But the lip liner is from Anchor and it's number 16. Smooth. You can wear this as a matte lippie. It is so smooth. This is the look, you guys. I really, really want to thank you for subscribing. If you have, and if you're new, hey, I am Jamaican. I'm sorry. I'll have, if you don't understand something, just comment. I'll clear it up for you. I mean, I don't mean to be going back and forth in patois. It look good though. I like how it look. It look alright. I'm sure I add lashes. The lashes, boom. A black lip, boom. But I'm gonna do that. Say your girl. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys. Bunky Didos, mago sooner tomorrow. Remember to film every day in September? Oh God, September.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.